Each week, we highlight an entrepreneur who is disrupting and innovating in their field. This week, we're going to focus on none other than Mr. Jeff Bezos. The stock market value of Amazon officially reached $900 billion yesterday in terms of market cap for the company. From creating a brand new retail holiday to pushing the limits of private space travel and exploration, Jeff Bezos is our trailblazer of the week. If you want to learn how to think like an entrepreneur, head to Strayer.edu/Cheddar and check out Strayer's Digital Entrepreneurship MBA built in partnership with Cheddar.